This YouTube channel has racked over up to 30 million views by posting simple videos about stoicism, probably made in just few minutes. They are so easy to make. But I look into the downside and there's a hidden challenge. YouTube might demonetize your channel for repetitive content. But don't worry, today in this video, I'll show you how to make monetizable short videos like this using free AI tools. I'm not going to promise you easy money. This tutorial is about using the right tools to make money and work smarter, but you will still need to put in some effort. Okay, let's get started and pay attention. To create a viral script, you first need a viral idea. We will use Perplexity AI for this. Go to this tool and just ask it what are the top 10 trending topics related to stoicism and personal development on YouTube in 2024. And then you can pick one of these topics. Now you can create the script. I know you have seen tons of videos about making short and they all use ChatGPT to make script. But if you want your video to go viral, a simple request won't cut it. I'll choose the topic 6 stoic secrets to overcome procrastination for my short video. Here's an example of a prompt that you can use in ChatGPT to go viral. You are a short video creator on YouTube with over 50 million views on your channel about stoicism and personal development for men. Write a viral script for 1-minute video about 6 stoic secrets to overcome procrastination. Make the script direct and not too generic. So now you can see that ChatGPT is generating the script, and if you don't like it, you can ask for another one. Now let's move on to the next step. Let's use Leonardo AI to create our scenes. Just go to Leonardo AI and here click on image generation. Here you can keep the option as Leonardo diffusion and the style as Leonardo style. You can scroll down to the dimension option and you can select the dimensions of YouTube shorts. Just like with ChatGPT, writing the right prompt is key to getting great result. Now I'm going to use this prompt. I will provide with you some example prompts in the description down below so you can use them. Alright, now you can see you can create these images in the same way you can create all your scenes. As I mentioned, I will use some example prompts in the description for you to use. It's okay to repeat some prompts too. Just pick the images you want and download them all. Now with the short video scenes are ready, we can enhance them using Immersity AI, formerly known as LeaPix. Here you can animate images as often as you like as long as you export them in HD quality. Here click to add the first photo you want to animate, and now you can animate it and you can give the description and look at how it turned out. This will make your short videos stand out. Now to export, click next and choose the export option. The other option costs around like 50 credits. So I'm going to choose this one and click export and it's done. And now do the same with your other images. Now for the narration voice, we will use Levan Labs. I have mentioned this tool in many of my videos, and by the way, I will link all these tools in the description down below as well. Here you can get 10,000 words per month, which is perfect for short videos. Click to choose the voice and I recommend use Bill. You can choose any voice you like. Here you can paste your script and you can make any necessary adjustments. You can open settings to increase the stability and do other things. And now click generate speech and then you can download it. Okay, now we need to find some background music. You can easily pick one from YouTube, and also there are many other sources you can use to find background music. So here I am going to use this one. Here's the thing, most of the time the background music you choose depend on the theme of each video. So listen to a few options and choose the one that best fit for your video. And now it's time to combine all these things together and edit our video. For that we will use Canva, which is currently the easiest tool for editing. On the Canva homepage, search for YouTube Shorts and then you will go to this page. And here you can click on uploads and you can bring all your scenes and audios. You can also find your background music in the Canva itself. Here's the thing, set this frame to a black. I will tell you why later. Now let's start editing. Choose in your first clip, add your audio and adjust it according to your audio. And do the same with the rest of these scenes. And Step by step, add all the scenes to your video. Remember, for your video to have a viral potential, it shouldn't be monotonous. Cut the silent spaces in audio to make it more dynamic. Just adjust each scene with the corresponding part of the audio. Do this for all your scenes. Remember, editing is the most important part of your video. These edits will ensure your video fits the YouTube short length to 15 to 60 seconds. To make your video even better, let's add simple animation. Remember, we set the frame to black. We did that to make these animations look more natural. Here, click on your first clip and apply these animations and repeat for the other clip. And then you can add your background music and adjust the music volume. If you want, you can add effects. Now your short video is complete. Now let's look how it turns out.
Hey warriors! Struggling with procrastination? Here are 6 stoic secrets to conquer it now. Secret number 1. Memento mori. Remember, you're going to die. Time is your most valuable resource. Don't waste it. Ask yourself, is this how I want to spend my limited time?
And see how simple it is. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and there's one more step to make this video perfect. You can add captions using CapCut online. So go to CapCut. I will link all these tools in the description down below. First go to create new and choose the option to upload your video. Here you can drag and drop your video to the timeline. And now let's go to the left and click on captions. And here select auto captions and then hit generate. You can adjust the caption size, font and position to center it on the screen. You can customize these settings as you like. After making all the necessary adjustments, export the video. And now let's see the final result of our video.
Hey warriors! Struggling with procrastination? Here are 6 stoic secrets to conquer it now.
And now you can upload this video to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram or Facebook, and by uploading consistently, you can open doors for a side income opportunity. If you have any questions or feedback, share in the comments and I'll respond as quickly as I can, and all feedbacks are welcome here. So if you want to learn more about these kind of cool new AI tools and how to leverage them to get more opportunities, and if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribing. Let's meet with another video. Have a great week.